Up until the official debut, which is expected in January, leaks regarding the Samsung Galaxy S25 are likely to continue to appear. A look at the possible Ultra model's design is now possible thanks to two recently discovered photos. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to have a more rounded design that makes it more pleasant to handle next year, as has previously been reported. However, a new post by popular typehater Ice Universe indicates that the back camera design will likely stay mostly the same. According to the article, a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra cover with 6 barbecues that resembles the design of the current model is shown. For reference, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 200MP wide, 10MP telephoto, 50MP periscope, and 12MP ultra-wide camera setup with up to 5x optical zoom. These include 4 for the cameras, a flashlight, and a laser distance meter for autofocusing. This leak indicates that the general design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra will not change, despite speculations about possible improvements to certain of these cameras. More information is available from Ice Universe, including a drawing that contrasts the bezel and corner of the current Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus with what the Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to have. This side-by-side comparison illustrates how the two models' designs vary. This leaked photo confirms the rumors that Samsung plans to significantly lower the bezels on its smartphones for the next year. For comparison, it also displays the rounded corner design that we previously spoke about. There aren't many changes to the Galaxy S25 Ultra's back compared to earlier leaked models. As is often the case, there is more information available on the Ultra model than the normal and Plus variants, but generally, the shape and appearance seem more in line with the other models in the series. According to reports, the Ultra's screen would be 6.86 inches instead of 6.8 inches, a tiny increase. It is expected that the Galaxy S25 series will be announced during the week of January 13, 2025, much like the Galaxy S24 series was on January 17. This would occur shortly after the conclusion of CES on January 10. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.